the sweet sting of pain. The laser gunfire, the smoke I breathe it in, it hurts my eyes. The enemy is overrunning us. This is surely defeat. I feel the heat of flames on my skin. The Satan's outgun us. This battle we can't win. What will happen to my family if we can't pull through? But look up, trooper, look to the sky. Can you see the heaven tremble as a fleet arrives? Here comes the steel rain, the hellfire of the Emperor's angels. Watch them descend, exploding into battle. Come to win the fight, to save us mortal man. The Emperor's angels will save us again. Here comes the steel rain. Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. I hear the scream as the enemy retreats. Chainswords hum, bolters fire. The Emperor's angels have come to save you and me. Here comes the steel rain, the hellfire of the Emperor's angels. Watch them descend, exploding into battle. Come to win the fight, to save us mortal man. The Emperor's angels will save us again. Here comes the steel rain. Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. As I breathe my last breath, as my vision fades, I can rest going to my grave, knowing that my planet and my family will be saved by the Emperor's angels. Angels so tall and brave, rescuing humanity once again.
Like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe.